In this video, you'll learn how to acquire Optimism using the Trust Wallet application. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate through the process of purchasing this cryptocurrency. Start by opening a web browser on your device and navigating to the Google homepage. This is the starting point for accessing the Trust Wallet extension. Ensure that your internet connection is stable, as this will facilitate a smoother experience. Next, search for the Trust Wallet extension in the browser. Once the search results appear, click on the appropriate link to access the Trust Wallet extension page. After loading, the extension interface should become visible, confirming that you are in the right place. Once you are on the Trust Wallet interface, locate and click on the option labeled Fund. This action will direct you to the funding options available within the wallet. You should see a list of choices for funding your wallet, which is essential for buying cryptocurrency. After that, click on the button titled Buy Crypto. This will lead you to the section where you can purchase cryptocurrencies directly through Trust Wallet. Wait a moment while the system processes your request and the next options will be displayed. You will now see an option labeled Choose a Crypto. Click on this to begin selecting which cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. It is important to have a clear idea of the specific cryptocurrency you want to acquire. Next, click on the search function to find the cryptocurrency you are interested in. This will open a search bar where you can input the name of the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Make sure to enter it accurately to avoid confusion. Type in Optimism in the search bar. After entering the name, the system will display results matching your query. It is crucial to ensure that you select the correct cryptocurrency to avoid any purchasing errors. Find the specific Optimism option that you want to choose from the search results. Take a moment to review the details to ensure you are selecting the correct entry. This step is vital to ensure the accuracy of your transaction. Choose the Optimism entry that fits your requirements. Once selected, you will be directed to a new screen where you can proceed with your purchase. Confirm that you have selected the right option before moving forward. Now, type in the amount of Optimism you wish to buy. Ensure that you are aware of the current market price and your budget. This will help you make a more informed decision regarding how much to purchase. Finally, click on the button labeled Continue to finalize your purchase. At this point, the system will process your transaction and you should see a confirmation screen indicating that your order is being processed. Be prepared for a brief waiting period as the transaction is completed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.